Log in to your Yoroflow account and select your license. Locate the YoroAI Assistant at the bottom right corner of the screen. Start by entering prompts in natural language, following the AI assistant's guidance. Provide key details such as the project name and description. Choose the column type, either default or custom. If you select custom columns, simply enter your column names. Next, choose the form type. If you need custom fields, enter the required field names. Specify whether you want to enable project sprints. Confirm the project name and the description that should be displayed. Your project is now created automatically based on the details you provided. You can now start creating tasks under each column. You can also manage sprints for your project. View active, upcoming, and completed sprints from the sprint section.